Happy Halloween and welcome to my channel. Today I'm wearing this Nami kimono costume from One Piece. Anyways, my neighbor is renovating today, and if you hear any noise, it's from the drilling and hammering from next door. So in this episode, I'll be building this Gundam Lfrith or Gundam Lfrith from the witch from Mercury Prologue. I've heard a few ways people pronounce this name, but I will just go with Lfrith, and that's how they say it in the anime. If I have a choice, I would get real grade instead of high grade. But the day when I dropped by Agama Hobby, they told me this is the very last one they got in stock. And I know everyone here in Toronto are looking for it, so I just grab it regardless.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Typical high grade, 5 runners and a 4 sticker, and the impressive chest part that we'll look at that in a bit. The centerpiece comes molded in color that I used to express the glimmering when it's radiating light. And there are 2 stickers for you to apply on the clear gray part. One just looks exactly the same as the pre-printed piece, so I'm not going to use that. The black sticker is used for the deactivated mode, and the color is printed on the sticker side. The legs are attached by C-clips, and I know some of you don't like C-clips, but I think they're great and solid. This kit looks a lot like real grade. It has partial inner frame and the armor layering is amazing. This is the combo gun bit shield, and it could be separated into 7-bit staves. They could be attached to the front and back of the rifle and onto the butt flap. Then 4 of them go to the backpack. There's no way to attach the bit stave onto the action base, and I just stick them on with white tack to show how they fly around. In the next episode, I'll do another snap build for the Beguir-beu. And let me know what's your thoughts on this kit down in the comment section below. Hope you liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you next time!